Cool. Do we have any cool weather coming up anywhere here? Oh, we do have an impact alert today, actually, before we get to that, don't we, Kim?
Exactly. We have a weather impact alert, and that is motioning a change in our weather pattern. So first we've got some strong storms, and then we will see some cooler air coming in behind that. The timing for your evening storm threat, the later on it gets, the more disruptive it'll be. So between 8 p.m. all the way through the overnight hours until 5 a.m., that's when I'll be watching radar closely. All of the severe threats are on the table: an isolated tornado, some gusty wind, and I can't rule out the possibility of a couple of hailstorms too. This will likely impact any travel you had penciled in for later on tonight, whether that's on the road or by the skies. Radar right now shows we're mostly quiet. It is warm, it is humid, some isolated showers trying to stream up 288, but really fizzling out. That's the tension building as this line makes its way closer towards southeast Texas. We have a lot of instability. Instability is formed by heat and humidity, and how that counteracts with the much cooler air that is approaching. So hour by hour, we will start to see a few different peaks of rain. So for this morning, rain chances are really low. By the time you're having lunch, that's when I think you could see a couple of storms out ahead of the main line that still takes a few hours to get here. So remember, after 8 o'clock is when most of the storms start to fire off. So that's a snapshot at 2:30, a couple of isolated thunderstorms throughout the area, but the main line is still out toward northwest. So that's a snapshot at 8:30, starting to drop in from Huntsville down the North Freeway towards the Woodland and Spring. Getting to the I-10 corridor, the loop in the Beltway, seeing the strong thunderstorms during the overnight hours. Now you're looking at a snapshot of 2:30. By 5 in the morning, the showers are in Galveston, and by the time most of us are waking up, say 6, 7 o'clock, that is when most of the weather has calmed down. So I think your commute for tomorrow morning looks good. The commute this morning looks good too. It's just this evening that we have to watch for the severe weather. We're under a threat level 2 for most of our cities and counties. This is on the 1 to 5 scale. Again, for all of the severe components: wind, isolated tornado, hail. The further that we go into the coastline, the more the line starts to lose steam. The good news is this is a quick mover and it's a thin line, so we're not going to see a lot of accumulation. Our northern cities and counties get the majority of the moisture, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, and then as the line gets towards downtown, maybe half an inch of rain, and then the rain totals continue to drop off. This morning we are really warm, 69 degrees. That's a 12-degree increase compared to this time yesterday. That's the instability I was talking about. The heat and the humidity will be fuel for the later storms, which is why today is in red, a weather impact alert day. 50% chance because most of the day is dry. Overnight, though, that's when things start to kick up. Early Tuesday storms, 20% rain chance there, both days in the low to mid 80s. By Wednesday, the cooler air starts filtering in, and by Thursday, which is Thanksgiving, wow, it is perfect. Sunny and cool, a high of 68 degrees, no rain, 40s in the morning in case you're doing a turkey trot on Thursday, which I am. Bundle up, wear some layers, because it is going to be nice and cool. 7-day forecast shows that cool air takes us all the way through Friday, and then we've got our next chance for storms this weekend. So Jen, one day definitely stands out in the 7-day. It's today, a weather impact alert. Just be really cautious of any late night plans.
Yes, got you. Well, Kim,